welcome back sa YouTube channel.
Under
So
criminal
guys,
offenses, which aggravate the criminal liability of the accused, Article 14,
ito guys, boto
Chapter
nyo
4
to.
of the Revised Penal Code, this court finds the accused,
Ito, boto nyo.
Felix Mercado E. Garcia, guilty of complex crimes
Boto
as
nyo yan.
stated in Chapter 4, Article 48, also of the Revised Penal
Tapos yung
Code.
ilaw kong flashlight,
The penalty
nagbabayad.
of reclusion perpetua is hereby promulgated by this court.
Raya! 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 Boy! Raya! Anong ko na ng boyo?
Ayun o.
Wala ka bang gunting?
Walang dali.
Nasa bahay, iniwan ko muna kay Tatay Judy. Late na ako rin ang ako dati. At wala ako daw hapon sa'yo.
Yun guys.
Nakadadaan ko sa kaso mo.